Bitcoin is bouncing right now, bratans. Is this a legit bounce? And when we will see the release of altcoins, I show you also some hidden gems. So we see right now we're perfectly bouncing on this daily support. So this is what we will speak about. And I show you also two coins which I'm closely watching, because there's one coin which could potentially do 50% in the next days. Obviously it's not a guarantee, bratans, but we are on a very, very clear resistance line which we are about to break. So right now, let us start here with Bitcoin. We are perfectly see here this bounce right now. However, I want to see a daily closing above green daily candle closing above the daily support. So this would be amazing, because we are still waiting here for Bitcoin, the relief rally to 34-35k to this resistance line. As always, as I told you, be prepared to have your stop loss if you are in a long position like me here on the Bitcoin long position below the monthly, or even better below the weekly support, so below 25,200 or even 24,800, because we could see obviously here still that the whales try to liquidate all the long position. We could see a bounce to the weekly support before we'll see bounce above, right? So just be prepared for it. It looks very bullish right now again, because we see here on the weekly we are heavily oversold, so this looks amazing. We could see that the bounce will work out. You see here perfectly closing the 4 hourly. However, be prepared, we could still see dropping below the daily support. I want to see here this daily candle closing above. So in my opinion, still a long opportunity, not a financial advice, do your own research, but it's still a long opportunity. But very clear, again, it's not the bull run yet. It's not the bull run yet. We see here on all time frames, we see bearish divergence. RSI is going down while the price is going up. So we see clear bearish divergence on the bigger time frames. So on the weekly, we see bearish divergence. You know what, if you're watching my videos. But right now, still relief rally is on and potentially working out right now, right? Very important. Also, the Bitcoin dominance chart is looking very nice. Why? Because we are waiting for the altcoin season, and we are still forming here a clear double top, right? And the double top means if Bitcoin here pumping, then altcoins dumping, right? If Bitcoin is forming double top and is dumping, altcoins pumping, right? And we want to see here the Bitcoin dominance chart going down in order to see altcoins running, right? And now we are coming also to the altcoins, right? Because not only Ethereum, we are waiting for Ethereum to going to the level of 2,500, so it's still here a pump opportunity of 18%. However, also here, if you're in a long position of Ethereum, set your stop loss below even the weekly support 1,700 or the second daily support 1,600. It would be the safest one if you set your stop loss below the daily 1,600. However, do your own research, not a financial advice, bratans. 2,500 is our price target, because you see here a lot of support and resistance. This is why 2,500 is for Ethereum. But I want to speak another about another altcoins, because I'm trying to outperform the market with smaller market cap altcoins, not the smallest one, but smaller market cap altcoins. However, this is more risky, right? So you can decide. You are I trading also Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I have another altcoin which I'm trading right now, and I show you also my trades quickly. Bitcoin is right now 137% profit, $680 in profit, and Aave is $358 in profit, 6.8% in profit. And I'm expecting Aave to go even higher, because if we are watching here right now, Aave had, by the way, very good news. Watch the news. It looks amazing. And we are here in this symmetrical triangle. And as I told you, you measure the breakout or breakdown of the symmetrical triangle, the price target, the first upper touch point with the first lower touch point, which is this now. And the technical price target, if in case we are breaking to the upside, is here $173. So in my opinion, this is an amazing long opportunity for Aave. Very risky, but the risk reward ratio is amazing. If we set a stop loss below 170 and our take profit and stop loss below the blue line, so let's assume we set it here at $53, then we have a risk reward of 2.2. If we set stop loss even tighter and our price target 170, then we have even 2.8, so nearly 3.0 risk reward. In my opinion, this is an amazing long opportunity. However, also here, do your own research. It's obviously not a guarantee, right? But very nice. The longer we are staying here in the symmetrical triangle, the more it's the price getting squeezed, and the more explosive will be here the pump, right? And obviously here, this is a long opportunity of over 100%. 20%, this could be amazing, right? But another altcoin which we are closely watching is FXS, and FXS is amazing. I coming in a second to FXS because I want to congratulate to everyone who took here this opportunity of Arbitrum, because Arbitrum is right now at $1.77, and we called it here. I called it in our Telegram group. Wait a minute, where was it? Here I called this. I going back here to the post. It was on 27th March. It was at $1.28, right? So if you bought it here at $1.28, it was here at $1.28. It was over 38%, which you made profit. This is amazing, bratans. Congratulations to everyone if you took here this trade, or if you bought it. Amazing. This looks amazing. And now let us speak about FXS, because FXS could be the next altcoin which could massively explode. FXS is trying to break here this weekly resistance line. You see it here very clearly. We're trying to break it, and I want to see this daily closing clearly above the weekly resistance line, because then the next price target of FXS would be here around $14, our local high. This would be around 37%, and if we break $14, the next price tag would be $17, so 62%. Why 14 and $70? So 14 because it's previous all-time high, and previous here massive resistance line, and $70 because this is also the previous massive resistance line. See here resistance, 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 and support line, right? So FXS, in case Bitcoin is consolidating or pumping, I'm expecting FXS explosively going to $14 or even to $17. However, this is also not a financial advice, and I wouldn't trade it on leverage. I'm buying on spot FXS because it's very, very volatile. And FXS, even if it's dropping down, I still expecting in the bull run it's going to between $100 and $300. So in my opinion, this is an amazing coin for portfolio, for my portfolio. Not a financial advice. Do your own research also here, bratans. So in my opinion, overall it looks very amazing. Also the total crypto market cap look very healthy. We see here we are still in this symmetrical broadening wedge. In case we are breaking this symmetrical broadening wedge to the upside, this would be massive pump for the whole crypto market. This is the total crypto market cap. We would see Bitcoin for sure running to 35k, because it would mean the technical price target is here $1.6 trillion, the whole crypto market cap. We would see running altcoins and Bitcoin. This would be amazing. You see we are retesting this line, and the more we retest, the more likely is that we are breaking to the upside. I don't expect that we see big drop right now because everything is very bullish. I still expect the relief rally to continue. However, we will have a new moon on the 20th of April, and usually after, this is how we detected also the pump. Usually after several days after the new moon, which will happen on the 20th, we see a massive drop to the downside. So watch out for this, bratans. Right now everything looks very healthy. I'm in my long positions, bratans. And don't forget, always, wait a minute, always educate yourself through Google or through YouTube, in every space, not only in crypto, in every space which is important for you. You have to educate yourself in order to understand what you are doing, because if you're just watching videos, don't only blindly copying, you will never understand what you are doing. You will always lose money, bratans. Therefore, educate yourself through Google, through YouTube. You have all the resources. If you want, you can join our Telegram group absolutely for free. You get calls for altcoins. I think 2 altcoins per day. You get signals, you get educational stuff, and also on the Discord channel you get a crypto trading course absolutely for free, bratans. How you can join it? It's very easy. Through my link, pinned comment, make a registration, and basically 2 steps at 30 seconds. Make a registration on Bybit and deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You get free access to my Discord, Telegram channel, and you can through Bybit get even a bonus up to $30,030, bratans. How to claim this bonus? All through the link down below, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.